Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're here to do another family video, and this time we're going to do a bacon wrapped chicken. And I hope you enjoy this because I really like this recipe. I have doubled this recipe because I'm going to send some to my daughter-in-law. But you want to make sure that most of your pieces are about the right size. They need to be 6 to 8 ounces. That I guessed at it. I think that's about right. And when you're buying your bacon, do not buy thick bacon because it won't get as crispy when you wrap it. We're going to wrap it around this chicken breast, and you need to get the thin bacon. And I use the Oscar Mayer. It's a smoked bacon, and it's real good. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here, 2 teaspoons of salt, and we have 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary. And this rosemary is some that I grew in this little indoor garden, and I froze it. There's 3/4 of a cup, double that. Okay, I'm gonna mix all this, and now we're gonna rub it on our chicken breast. We're cooking twice as much as the recipe calls for. I think our oil is hot enough now. We have it on about medium high. We're going to put these in here, and the ends of the bacon now are on the bottom. You want to do that so they won't come unrolled. That may be a little hot. I'm going to turn it down a wee bit. We got to have room for one more. Now, we do not flip that. We're going to cook it that way for about 5 minutes. Our time is up on our chicken breast, and we're going to sprinkle brown sugar over the top of it. I found something that looked like I don't know where it's clay or what it is, a little disc-like thing. And you put it in this brown sugar and seal it up, and you know it really does work. It'll keep it from getting hard like that. Okay, we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven. We'll check the meat thermometer, and it should be about 155 degrees. Now we're going to check our chicken and see if it's up to 155. It's ready. Now we have moved our rack up to closer to the broiler unit, so we're going to turn this on broil. And it won't stay there but about 5 minutes. What this is for, to make sure that bacon gets cooked real crisp. Now, our chicken is finished cooking, and we took out 1 serving of it. Really looks pretty, but let me warn you about the broiler. The last few minutes in broiling, I think 2 to 3 minutes is probably all you need. You know how a broiler is. When you put it on there, it'll burn pretty quick. Hope you try it, and hope you enjoy it much as we do. And we hope you see you on another video. Thank you for watching.